How to fix message sent before this device are added to the conversation. Hello everyone, my name is Smile and in this video I'm gonna show you how you can solve this very problem of yours. So follow the following steps for that. First of all, go to the setting option of your phone. After that, you need to go on the home page. So after you go on the home page, scroll down and down up until you search for the very apps option. After you see the very option of apps, just tap on there. So after tapping there, either you search for the messenger application or you can search on the top search bar. I simply search on the top search bar and tap on it, and you will see on the screen like this. Go on the notification option. If it is blocked, then you need to allow it. So after you allow it, it should look like this. Now you need to give all the permissions there as well, and after you do that, you need to go on the Google Play Store or App Store of your phone. So after you go on the Google Play Store or App Store of your phone, go and search for the Messenger application. Make sure it is installed and updated to the latest version. So yes, doing this, it should solve your problem. But if it does not, then I would suggest you to go to the help center of the Messenger application so that it can see and send you feedback to solve your problem. So yes, if you like the video, then please do hit the thumbs up and subscribe button, and also comment in the comment section below. Thank you for watching.